How to end an listing early on eBay. Hi everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are providing you with step-by-step guide. We can follow out these steps to do so. So for that, we can open up eBay application or website and basically go to the option called My eBay in the top right corner and tap on the option called Setting from the menu that pops up. After that, once we open up this option, we can just go over and find that item in our active listings. So we can just go over and find it up. And here, basically, after finding the listing, we can select it and we should be finding an option called End Listing. We can click on it. And then eBay will ask us why you are ending it. We can choose one of the common options and then you can confirm the listing. And if no one has bid yet, you can just go over and end the list immediately as well. If there are bids, you must cancel the bids first before ending it. And then after ending, the listing will move to unsold in your seller dashboard. And that is how you confirm your listing and the listing on your eBay. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more.